The light is distracting me, but I will not throw loud words at the problem.
Jace, stop your feet now, because that sound is moving through the whole bench.
Do not fold that paper here, Jace. This is not a place for making toys. Oh no, I was trying to stop you, but now I made the loud sound. No, 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 please do not land there. That is the worst place for it.
Jace, your joke has left your hands and disturbed someone else's prayer.
Do not hide under the bench and stand still and look at what your actions did.
I thought it was only a little paper, but it made her stop praying. I helped make this worse because I pulled too hard instead of asking clearly.
From now until the service ends, your feet, hands, and voice must work together. Let us return to quiet hearts so every person can pray with peace.
I will give my hands a safe job because empty hands can look for trouble.
My joke can wait because this room needs quiet more than my funny words.
Jace, everyone is standing now. Stand with them before someone has to remind us again.
I made one more sound, but I stopped fast and fixed the bench carefully.
That is better. Stop, fix it, and return to calm.
Maya, helping Jace is good, but use calm hands, not rushing hands.
I want her prayer to stay quiet this time, so I will not take more peace from her. I am placing the book slowly, because even a small thump can feel big here. My shoe can wait, and I do not need to move for every little thing right now.
Open it slowly, Jace. Even fixing yourself can be done with respect.
I heard the noise, so I will slow down and try again the quiet way. You are fixing it better now, and I will fix my hands too.
Peace grows when people choose careful actions together.
I am sorry my paper plane landed on your book and made your prayer harder. I am sorry too, and I found your bookmark under the bench, so I brought it back.
Thank you, children, and I was praying for my family, so quiet really mattered to me.
I understand better now. Quiet is not just a rule, because someone may really need it.
Keep this paper, Jace, but not as a toy. Keep it as a reminder.
Jace and Maya had said sorry, but the real test would come when they returned.
We will not only talk about manners, we will practice the exact problems with our bodies.
First problem, entering the row. Slow feet, close elbows, and no bumping the bench.
I bumped it because I rushed, so I will reset the chair and try again slowly.
That was better, Jace. You passed without touching the chair.
My hands were careless, so I will make the book land like a feather.
Second problem. When someone drops something, do not laugh. Help them quietly. I picked it up slowly, and I held it tight so it did not make another sound.
Third problem. A phone may be silent, but the light can still distract people.
Please turn that off now, Wow. Wait, that sounded bossy, and bossy is not respectful. Excuse me, the phone light is distracting, and we are trying to listen quietly.
That worked because your words, face, and hands were all gentle.
Standing fast made the chair move, so I will stand again without pushing anything. Good. Standing and sitting are actions too, and quiet actions need practice.
Let us change this paper so it reminds us what to do instead of flying again. It is not a plane anymore. It is a reminder for my feet, hands, voice, and heart.
The next Sunday came, and this time Jace had to prove the lesson with real actions.
My feet wanted to chase him, but I stopped them before they made trouble.
You dropped this, and we should walk slowly now because we are inside church.
Good row entering, and your bodies are already making better choices than last week.
Hands on the book, feet on the floor, eyes forward, I know what to do.
Please stand, and let us begin with quiet hearts and careful listening.
We stood without moving the bench, and that already feels better.
They are not just remembering words, they are controlling their actions.
I only need to check one message, and I will put it away soon.
The light is distracting me, but I will not throw loud words at the problem.
Wait for the pause, then use the soft sentence we practiced at home.
Excuse me, the phone light is distracting, and we are trying to listen quietly.
I am not talking, so I did not think the light could bother anyone.
The light is on our pages, so our eyes keep going to the screen.
I understand now, and thank you for showing me kindly instead of blaming me. Sorry, we are late, and I am trying to sit down fast.
Do not let the first sound choose your first reaction, Jace.
Please stop making noise, because everyone is praying, and you are too loud.
I used the right idea with the wrong voice, and now I made more attention.
Try again with the voice picture, and show them the quiet way with your hands.
Could you move the bench like this, slowly, so it does not make a loud sound?
Sorry, that helps. I was rushing, but I can sit down more quietly.
Oh no! Now I made another noise, and I feel very embarrassed.
It is okay, move slowly, and I will help so the keys do not make more sound. Thank you, you helped me quietly, and that made me feel less embarrassed.
Please sit and keep your hearts open as we continue.
You can sit now, it is okay, because everyone misses instructions sometimes.
Thanks, Jace, but I did not feel silly because you helped me kindly.
I am hungry, and I thought opening it very slowly would be quiet.
Wrap it like this and save it for later so your hands can stay quiet now.
Okay, I can wait, and this way it does not make so much noise.
Oh no, my book is slipping, and I do not want it to fall.
I caught it before it hit the floor, but you can take it slowly now.
Thank you, Jace. You stopped the noise before it happened. Good catch, Jace. You moved fast, but you stayed quiet.
Mom, your bag is caught, so I will free it before the bench makes a noise.
You saw the problem before it became loud, and that is careful respect. We can make space for her, because respect also means helping people move safely.
Please take your time, and I am holding the bench so it will not move.
I see you are both using your lesson with your hands, not only your words.
He is acting like the quiet boss today, but maybe he is helping. That hurts a little, but I will not answer with an angry voice.
When words hurt you, hold your heart steady before you answer.
We were noisy last week too, so we are not better than you. We are just learning.
Sorry, that was not kind, and I can see you are really trying.
Please stand again and let us finish this prayer together.
The room feels calmer because many people are making small, quiet choices.
A smile can stay quiet too, and this one feels good.
Today I could pray in peace, and I saw both of you protect the quiet.
This helped me remember that respect needs my feet, hands, voice, and heart. We still make mistakes, but now we know how to stop, fix, and try again.
Today, you did not just behave, you helped other people behave with kindness too.
It will never be a plane in church again. It will be my quiet reminder.
Jace and Maya learned that respect is not only being quiet, it is choosing careful actions again and again.